Welcome to today's show. Today is 2nd of December 2017 and today we are going to look at Turkana County Executive Audit Reports. As you know, in this series of Budget Watch, we have been looking at audit reports from various counties, and today is the day for Turkana County. And we have 6 issues or 6 audit queries that we are going to address in these audit reports. But for part 1 of this video, we will address 3 issues. And these issues are unaccounted for conditional grants, bank accounts, the number of bank accounts, then number 3 is fixed assets register. Those are the 3 issues or 3 audit queries that we will address in the first or part 1 of our videos. So direct into our discussion today. Turkana County is found to the northwest of Kenya. It borders southern Sudan, Ethiopia, and Uganda. That is the international borders. And locally it borders Marsabit County. It borders West Pokot. Between West Pokot and Turkana, there is a lot of cattle rustling, which is a source of concern for security. So to go direct into the issues we have mentioned, the first issue is unaccounted for expenditure. And in this case, we will talk about the financial statements which were submitted by the county government of Turkana to the Office of the Auditor General, indicated that there was need balance in terms of conditional grants. That means the road maintenance, fuel levy fund, the free maternal health care, and the foregone user fees were indicated as nil balance, meaning there was no money which was sent from the national government to the county of Turkana. But however, the Office of Control of Budget had indicated in their reports that the Turkana County government had received 176.2 million as conditional grants. So how did they receive this money? The road maintenance levy fund, the Turkana County government received 133.1 million. Free maternal health care, they received 23.2 million. And finally, user fees foregone, they received 19.9 million, making it a total of 176.2 million. So there was mismatch between the reports which were done by the control of budget office and also the financial statements which were provided by the county government of Turkana. That difference, that variation could not be explained, and the county government did not give any explanation why there was a difference between those two sources of information. The next issue is bank accounts. In our previous review of audit reports, we mentioned that counties have several accounts. Most counties have numerous accounts. Turkana is not an exception. Turkana County Executive had 21 bank accounts as at 30th of June 2016. 21 bank accounts. Actually, we have seen some counties with over 100 bank accounts. So this is not a wonder. But an audit of these bank accounts by the Auditor General indicated that bank reconciliation statements for 18 bank accounts were not provided for audit review. Further, the bank statements for out of 21, 16 bank accounts, there was no bank statements provided. Then the bank account number for 9 accounts were not indicated. So out of 21, there was no bank account number for 9 accounts. So what does this tell us? This tells us that the validity, the accuracy, and the completeness of of these figures, which were provided as 3.1 million as the bank balances, could not be confirmed. You can't confirm as an auditor, the auditor cannot confirm that there was 3.1 million in the bank accounts when he doesn't even know the bank account numbers, when he doesn't have the bank statements for other bank accounts, when he doesn't have bank reconciliation statements for all the bank accounts. Those are the issues which were raised by the Office of the Auditor General. The last issue, the last audit query which was raised by the Office of the Auditor General was the Fixed Assets Register for the year 2015-2016. In the Fixed Assets Register, we expect all assets of the county governments to be indicated in that register. So it is a true reflection, it is supposed to be a true reflection of county government assets. But for the financial year 2015-2016, the financial statements indicated that the county fixed assets register was valued at 5 billion. But the statement receipts and payments had indicated 5.7 billion, which is higher than what was in the financial statements. The variance of 707.8 million could not be explained or was not explained by the county management. Therefore, the Auditor General could not give the validity, could not give the accuracy and completeness of acquisition of assets under the Fixed Assets Register. Up to this point, thank you for watching part 1 of the Turkana County Executive Audit Reports Review. Watch out for part 2 of this series. Thank you very much for tuning in to Kerosi TV, and like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.